Now, in case of retirement, come to the accounting treatment of goodwill. Valuation of goodwill is same. The method we value the goodwill whether at the time of admission, retirement, death of a partner, change in profit sharing ratio, it is same. Only the difference is treatment of goodwill. Now, at the time of retirement, the treatment of goodwill is very simple. Retiring partners capital account will be credited and continuing partners capital account will be debited. A simple treatment. Continuing partners capital account will be debited and retiring partners capital account will be credited. In continuing partner, the amount will be distributed in gaining ratio. In which ratio? Gaining ratio. Suppose the goodwill is valued 80,000 and retiring partner's share is 1/8. So we'll calculate the 1/8 of the goodwill. So 10,000 will be over here and this 10,000 will be transferred to continuing partners capital account. Suppose there are the two partners A and B. Continuing partner is A and B only. C is the retiring partner. C's capital account will be credited and continuing partner A and B's capital account will be debited. In which ratio? Gaining ratio. Suppose the gaining ratio is 1:1. So this 10,000 will be divided in A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, 5,000 and 5,000. Now see one problem related to the accounting treatment of goodwill at the time of retirement of a partner. So simple. There is only one treatment. Retiring partner's share of goodwill will be credited. Retiring partner's capital account will be credited with the retiring partner's share of goodwill, and this amount will be transferred to continuing partner, the partner who is going to continue the firm in the new constituted firm. Their capital account will be debited in their gaining ratio. So see the question. Arjun, Bhim and Nakul. Arjun, Bhim and Nakul are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 14:5:6 respectively. Bhim is going to retire from the partnership firm and surrender 2/25 share in favor of Arjun. Surrender 2/25 share, 5/25 share in favor of Arjun. Okay, 5/25 share. His share is how much? His share is 5/25 share, 5/25, and he surrender entire share, means given entire share to Arjun. It means Arjun is only benefited after the retirement of Bhim, whereas his profit sharing ratio is concerned, whole profit sharing ratio of Bhim 5/25 is given by Bhim to or taken over by Arjun only. The goodwill of the firm is valued 2 years purchase. Goodwill is valued. Here the valuation of goodwill formula. Goodwill is valued 2 years purchase into super profit based on average profit of last 3 years. So 2 into, we'll calculate the super profit. So first of all we'll calculate the average profit. Average profit of 3 years is equal to 50,000 plus 60,000 plus 55,000 upon 3. So 1,65,000, 1,10,000 plus 1,65,000 upon 3, 55,000 is the average profit of last 3 years. Average profit of last 3 years. Average profit of last 3 years. So the normal profit of the firm are 30,000. So super profit is equal to actual average profit minus normal profit. So actual average profit is 55 and normal profit given is 30. So super profit is 25. Yes, super profit is how much? 25. So when you multiply this here with the super profit, so goodwill is 50,000. Goodwill is 50,000. Next line is goodwill already appear in the books at rupees 75,000. Goodwill already appear in the books means goodwill given in the balance sheet. So if it is goodwill is given already in the balance sheet, so we'll write off that goodwill. Goodwill will be credited with the 75,000 amount which is given in the book value balance sheet and will be transferred to all partners capital account. Arjun capital account debit, Bhim capital account debit, Nakul capital account debit, so this 75,000 will be transferred to these three partners in their this ratio 15:5:6 in their old ratio. So 75,000 when it is divided in between them in this ratio, so 15/25, 14:5:6. So 45,000. Next, not 45, it is 14 by, so it is 42,000, 42,000. Okay. Next is 5/25, 15,000. Next is 6/25, 18,000. Okay. In this way, the book value of the goodwill will be write off by us. Book value of the goodwill will be write off in the old ratio 14:5:6. The profit for the first year after Bhim retirement was 1 lakh. After the retirement of the partner, profit is this much. So this profit will be transferred profit and loss appropriation account debit to Bhim's capital. This will be transferred to only continuing partners capital account, Nakul capital, Bhim's capital and Nakul's capital in their new ratio, and the new ratio between them is what? What's the new ratio? So we'll calculate the new ratio. Okay, we will calculate the new ratio. Is it clear? We'll calculate the new ratio. So new ratio is, old ratio is this and his share is taken over by Arjun. So new ratio is equal to old ratio plus gaining. So about Arjun, old ratio is 14 by 25 and he is gained 5 by 25. So his ratio is 19 by 25, whereas Nakul's share will be as it is 6 by 25. He is not the gainer, so it is 6 by 25. So new ratio after retirement is 19:6. 19:6. This is the new ratio after retirement. So the profit of rupees 1 lakh will be transferred to the continuing partners capital account in the ratio of 19:6. So 1 lakh will be divided into 19:6, 19 by 25. So this amount will be 76,000 and 24,000. Okay, this is the treatment of profit earned after the retirement. And come to this treatment, goodwill, retiring partners capital account, retiring Arjun's capital account, Arjun's capital account will be credited and continuing partners capital account will be debited in their gaining ratio. But gaining is only to Arjun, not to Nakul, so only Arjun's capital account will be debited. Arjun's capital account will be debited because Arjun has taken his share, entire share. So retiring partner, not Arjun here, retiring partner is who? Bhim is the retiring partner. Bhim's capital account will be credited. Retiring partner's capital account will be credited. By what amount? Valuation of goodwill is 50 into retiring partner's share is 5 by 25. So it is 10,000. So this 10,000 will be transferred to continuing partners capital account in their gaining ratio. But in continuing partners, only the Arjun is the gainer. Nakul is not the gainer at all because his share is entirely transferred to Arjun. He surrendered his share to Arjun, not to Nakul at all. So that amount will be transferred to Arjun's capital account. This is for the treatment of goodwill, which is newly valued. Okay.